Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need an Apple ID and an internet connection. A physical SIM is not required. First, connect to Wi-Fi and sign into iCloud. Once signed in, open Settings and turn on Messages, then toggle iMessage. You may see Waiting for activation. Be patient. Activation uses your Apple ID and network, not the SIM. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password. Make sure FaceTime is also signed in. Both services use your Apple ID to send and receive messages without a SIM. Once iMessage is active, go to Settings, Messages, Send and Receive. You'll see your Apple ID and any reachable emails. Tap the email addresses you want to use. These become your message endpoints. Next, choose the default address or Apple ID under Start New Conversations from. This ensures other iMessage users reach you at a stable identifier. If you want SMS fallback later, note that requires a carrier SMS-capable number on another device via text message forwarding. Now open Messages and start a new thread. Look for blue bubbles to confirm iMessage delivery. If you use multiple Apple devices, sign into the same Apple ID to sync conversations. Once done, you can send and receive texts, photos, and reactions over Wi-Fi. If Messages fails, make sure date/time are correct and connected to Wi-Fi. Then toggle iMessage off and on, restart the phone, and sign out and back into Apple ID. That usually resolves activation or delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.